Power cuts, rising bills, and uncertainty. What if you could take control? In this video, I'll reveal the top 7 best solar energy starter kits 2026 guide to help you start saving instantly. Welcome to the channel. Stick around, explore picks, and grab your perfect kit through the links in description. On number 7 is eco-worthy 200-watt 12-volt. What if I told you a small solar kit could quietly power your daily essentials without stress? The eco-worthy 200-watt 12-volt system feels like that first step toward energy freedom. Let's break it down. First, performance delivers around 800 watt-hours per day with just 4 hours of sunlight. It solves the biggest beginner problem: unreliable backup. No guesswork, just steady output. But here's what surprised me next. Build quality durable aluminum frame, tempered glass, and 21% conversion efficiency mean this kit is built for real outdoor life, tested where it actually matters. Compared with others, it feels more balanced, not overpromising, not under-delivering. Now the catch: limited for heavy appliances, so manage expectations. Still, for campers, small homes, or first-time users, this is a smart, safe entry into solar. Would I recommend it? Absolutely, for beginners wanting peace of mind without overspending. At number 6 is Renogy 100-watt 12-volt. Here's a bold truth. Most beginners quit solar because their first kit feels confusing or unreliable. So where does the Renogy 100-watt 12-volt kit stand? Let's get into it. First, performance. Producing around 500 watt-hours daily with 22.5% efficiency, it delivers consistent, no-stress power that solves the "will this even work?" fear. But here's the real hook: reliability. Every panel is fully tested, built to handle harsh weather, giving you that sense of safety and long-term peace. Now think about this remote monitoring. With Bluetooth tracking, you stay in control anytime. Compared with others, this feels smarter and more refined. The downside includes limited output for bigger loads. Still, for beginners wanting a dependable start, this is a confident, practical choice we genuinely stand behind. On number 5 is WERCHTAY Bifacial 100-watt. What if one panel could secretly generate power from both sides? Are you leaving free energy behind? The WERCHTAY Bifacial 100-watt 12-volt kit changes the game. Let's break it down. First, efficiency up to 25% conversion, plus rear side gain, solving the common frustration of low output in small solar energy starter kits. But here's the twist: real-world performance thanks to dual glass design and smart charging control. It keeps power flowing even in tricky light conditions, giving you that sense of reliability and control. Now think about installation. Plug-and-play simplicity removes beginner confusion instantly. Compared with others, this feels more innovative and future-ready. The downside includes slightly higher setup awareness needed for best results. Still, for smart users wanting maximum output in limited space, this is a confident, forward-thinking pick worth considering. At number 4 is the DOKIO 100-watt portable. Here's something surprising. Most portable solar kits fail not because of power, but because they're too bulky to actually use. So, can the DOKIO 100-watt portable fix that? Let's find out. First, portability, lightweight, foldable, and travel-ready. It solves the biggest pain point for campers and emergency users: convenience. No heavy setup, just unfold and go. But here's what keeps you watching: real usability. The long cable and separate controller give flexibility and safety, so you're not forced into awkward setups. That means relief, especially in outdoor situations. Now, performance: it's reliable for small devices, but here's the catch: limited output for larger systems. Compared with others, it's more about freedom than raw power. So, who should buy this? If you want simple, portable energy anywhere, this is a smart, stress-free choice we confidently suggest. On number 3 is eco-worthy 1.6 kilowatt hour.
What if one compact solar kit could quietly power your essentials and eliminate blackout anxiety? The eco-worthy 1.6 kilowatt-hour system steps in with confidence. Right away, you feel the difference. This isn't just another beginner kit. It's a serious contender in the evolving world of solar energy starter setups. With 400-watt panels and smart maximum power point tracking, it squeezes every drop of sunlight, even on cloudy days. But here's where it gets interesting. Compared with others, the efficiency feels sharper, the charging more stable, and the overall experience more plug, relax, and trust. People often worry about inconsistent output and battery life. This solves both with over 3,000 deep cycles and reliable pure sine wave power. Downsides include setup takes patience, but once running, it's peace of mind. If you want dependable backup and real-world performance, this is a smart buy, especially for beginners ready to level up.
At number 2 is Renogy 200-watt 12-volt. What if just 200-watt could quietly power your daily essentials and end your fear of sudden outages? The Renogy 200-watt 12-volt kit proves that small systems can deliver big confidence. First impression, clean, reliable, and beginner-friendly, but stay with me. Generating around 1,000 watt-hours per day under good sunlight, it solves the biggest problem people face: inconsistent power and complicated setups. The 4-stage charging and built-in protections give that sense of safety. You plug in and you trust it. But here's the twist. Compared with others, it may feel less powerful, yet it wins in stability, ease, and expandability. Downsides include limited for heavy appliances, but for cabins, RVs, and backup basics, it's a smart, stress-free choice. We stand by gear that proves itself in real conditions, and this one does. Thinking of starting simple? This might be your perfect entry, but is it enough for your needs? Now moving to the last one is Nature Power 110 watt. What if a simple 110-watt panel could be the first step toward energy independence? The Nature Power 110-watt kit feels like that quiet beginning, simple, reliable, and surprisingly reassuring. But wait, there's more. Setup is almost plug and play, solving a major headache beginners face: confusing installations and wasted time. Once running, it delivers steady performance, and that 25-year durability promise adds serious peace of mind. But here's the catch. Compared with others, power output is modest, so don't expect to run heavy appliances. Still, for small backups, battery maintenance, or light outdoor use, it feels like a smart, low-risk entry. We lean towards systems that prove themselves over time, and this one quietly does. So who is it for? Beginners wanting a safe, affordable start. Need more power? You might outgrow it, but that's part of the journey, right? The winner is the eco-worthy 1.6 kilowatt-hour solar kit. And honestly, it's not even close. Why? Because it strikes the perfect balance between beginner-friendly simplicity and real, dependable power. Unlike smaller kits, it doesn't just assist, it actually handles your essentials with confidence. With strong battery capacity, stable output, and long lifespan, it eliminates the biggest fear: unreliable energy. Yes, setup takes a bit of effort, but once it's running, it feels like true energy independence. If you're serious about solar, not just experimenting, this is the smartest investment. So guys, this was the video about the top 7 best solar energy starter kits 2026 guide. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.